Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cool Guy Stuff with Mike, the cool guy. We've got a new toy to play with. Sort of. Ethan got a new toy to play with. It's his birthday today, and his grandparents, they bought him a remote control truck. Yes, he turned 3 today, but he's got his own remote control toy. And it's nothing crazy, it's nothing like the E-Max that he's been driving around and all the other stuff. But still, it's pretty cool, and so I'm going to do a little unboxing and a review for you. Basically, he's already taken it out of the box, already played with it, but I'm going to show you guys what it comes with and give you a little review on it. Alright, here it is. Check it out, guys. This thing looks awesome. Look at that truck. Okay, so it basically comes just like this. It's usually got a little cardboard case that holds everything, but this is how it's set up. So, we got our remote right here. Yeah, this is actually a 2.4 gigahertz system, which is excellent. This is like hobby grade sort of stuff when it comes to the remote. Not necessarily the look and feel, but 2.4 gigahertz systems. Even my, that E-Max up there is running off of a AM 27 megahertz system. Not nearly as good. Requires those big, long metal antennas. You know, the type from the 80s and 90s kind of thing. So these systems here, far superior. You can run hundreds of different models at the same time and no interference. So that's great. So this kit here, this guy actually comes with 2 chargeable batteries and 2 chargers. So check out the truck. Look at that. What a cool looking truck. And this is actually aluminum. Yeah, so it's got an aluminum body on it. These are all plastic pieces here. Everything on here is plastic, but that's the best part about the plastic is it is flexible, right? So this front bumper, you can see Ethan was already playing with it and scuffing it up. See the bend and the flex on that, right? You hit something, it's gonna give and it's gonna bend. It's not gonna break. So there's nothing wrong with plastic. You just don't want to run plastic in the cold, right? If you're in some kind of a climate where it gets cold, I'm in Canada, so you don't want to run this stuff in the wintertime. That's when plastic breaks. But yeah, very cool little car. It's even got the detail. It's got the seats and stuff in there. Pretty nice. All right, enough talking about the details. So, got suspension here. Got actual working shocks. They're not oil filled or anything fancy like that. They're just plastic shocks. It is a solid rear axle, so the back end moves as one solid piece, but still, that's something. And it does have a locked rear diff, which is really cool. So it's not like one wheel is turning and the other wheel is not turning. Both wheels are going to turn at the same time. So for a 2-wheel drive car, that's a big plus. All right, rest of the box here. It comes with a little screwdriver, which is good because it does not include 3 AA batteries for the remote, and you need the screwdriver to get in there. So lots of people have screwdrivers, but this comes with the screwdriver, so that's nice. So you don't need to supply your own screwdriver. Also, the car has a screw right here. I've taken the screw out because I figured why bother screwing the cover back in when there's no battery in it. I've got the 2 tabs. 2 tabs, pull that up. See, there's the screw, I just threw it in there. But here's our connector. Batteries are in this box, and then throw the battery in, plug it in, put this in, put the screw in there, and away you go, right? Right. There's your trim. This is your steering trim left and right. So I left it exactly how it was when it came for Ethan to drive around and play with it. It worked fine, no complaints on the steering trim. Here's your on-off switch right here, pretty obvious. Here we go. So this box here, we've got our batteries and our chargers. So, 2, these are our nickel metal hydrides, I believe. It says Bezgar, it's the brand of this thing. Nickel metal hydride, 800 milliamp, 6 volt. And of course these little plugs. So you get 2 batteries and 2 chargers, which is great. You can charge them both up at the same time when you first get it. So, yeah, obviously you plug that into there, and you plug this into one of these little cubes. Right, so this is the kind of cube that you'd get with a cell phone or whatever, something like that. Cube not included, right? So you got to supply that, or of course you can plug this into the back of whatever, a computer. You can plug that into anything. So typical 5-volt USB. Here, you know what? I'll plug it in right now and I'll show you what it does. Little red light flashes. Okay, plug those two things together. Right, plug this into here. There's your red light flashing away. When it's flashing, it's charging, and when it's done, it's stopped flashing, and you know you're good to go. These chargers, they 4 hours to charge, so it's good you get 2 battery packs. You can charge them up, you know, overnight kind of thing or something like that. Okay, got that plugged in. Right, press that into there. Alright, that's on there like that. Okay, battery's in the car. Transmitter, on-off switch right here. So, turn that on. This thing's flashing. It's supposed to do that. That's normal. 2.4 gigahertz systems, they need to be bound with the car. So you turn that on first, and then you turn on the car, and the signal, it finds the car, basically is how it works. So, turn this on, and you'll watch, that's going to stop flashing. There you go. Okay? So the car is on. Right, car is on. This has stopped flashing. Now it's going to work. Ready? Look at that. The steering's pretty quick. Oh, there's those lights. LED lights. Look at that. What a cool looking car. And the steering's got plenty of power. Check this thing out. Oh yeah. Good steering range. No problem. Cool. Here, let's see how fast you'll spin. Pretty good. So yeah, I'll take some video of Ethan ripping this thing around outside. Maybe we'll do some jumps and stuff. It'll be good. Either way, here is an instruction manual. So instructions are simple enough, and it comes with English, French, I don't know, some other stuff too, possibly. And it explains about the warranty. So it comes with a 12-month, 1-year warranty. And in here is the specific warranty card. So basically, you contact them and you give them the warranty number, which I'm covering up with my thumb. And you can claim a warranty for this thing. So 1-year warranty on, you know, motors and things like that. You know, so that's pretty cool.
Try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only
taking the gravel pretty good.
Going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other. Every day, I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me on tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around. No, I won't be turning around. I'll do it on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through. Get you out of your comfort zone. 'Cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up. 'Cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking. Going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other. Every day, I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing.
Alright, Ethan's got the remote on, new battery in it. We're gonna time how long this battery lasts. Sound good? It is 3:19 right now in the afternoon.
Does it have 2 seats in it?
There are 2 seats in it. Pretty cool. Alright, are you ready?
Does it have a steering wheel in it?
It has a steering wheel in it too. Oh, there we go.
Does the steering wheel turn?
I don't think the steering wheel turns. Nope, steering wheel does not turn. Okay, ready? Power's on. Lights are on. Ethan is going. All right, buddy. Tear it up. That's the way to do it. Just drive blind. Alright, so like I said, we're going to time how long this battery lasts.
Got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move.
Nice.
It was our time, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was our time, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Don't forget your first kiss. We were so damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips. The feeling I will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was our time, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was our time, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were my ride or die. 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 The time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die.
Right for the
It was
pile of
our
plants.
time, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were my ride or die. 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 Don't catch the moment. Nobody can stop me, I'm you know the omen. How did I stop what we're loving? You know the omen. Just enjoy the moment. Just enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment.
Yeah, so all in all, not a bad little truck. We got 25 minutes, give or take, worth of runtime. Some varied terrain, you know, running it flat out and then whatever. The other thing I was really impressed with was the turning radius on this thing. It gets nice and tight. It's got really good tight steering and the short wheelbase, so it's really cool. Yeah, the biggest downside to this truck that I can see is the two-wheel drive thing. Honestly, it just, every time it gets hung up on something, it's generally the back wheels are up in the air spinning and the front wheels are sitting on the ground doing nothing. If this thing was four-wheel drive, I think this thing would be just amazing. We have a 3-year-old that's playing with it, but still, I mean, for the money, this thing was like $50 or something off Amazon. I'm not entirely sure. But, I mean, it looks cool. It drives good. It's been crashed and bashed. You know, he scuffed it up even more today. A couple of hits went right to the wheels, and we had no breakages whatsoever. So, hey, that's a thumbs up for me. I'm impressed. So, I'd recommend the Speed Legend by Bezgar. If you have one of these, or you know somebody who does, and you like it, you don't like it, whatever, give me a shout down in the comments. Tell me what it is, or if you've got something similar that you'd recommend that we try out on the channel, let me know. Alright guys, that's it from this one. Cool guy stuff. Mike, signing off.